Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very happy and very much excited to announce you that I have collected this much of wild mushroom. This particular species of mushroom called tecta. I don't know what it is called in English, and I have to collect more because I think this year we have good harvest. Okay, let me collect this. Okay, and it has always been an exciting work or hobby for many. This I have been checking for wild mushrooms for the last 2-3 days, and finally they have grown today. Oh man, this is so good. You know what? This if you have tested wild mushrooms, both wild mushroom and homegrown mushrooms, you'll know the difference. That wild mushrooms have different taste. They are much more tastier, and it is very good for health also. But you have to be very careful while you collect, because there are many species of mushrooms which are edible and which are not edible. So you have to be very wise while collecting it. I know it from the smell. Let me smell. See, this is good. I know it. I know it. Okay, let's see for more mushrooms. There are more. It has already been about a week since since the start of my holiday, and looking for mushrooms in the morning has been my morning routine for now. And I hope there will be more mushrooms in the coming days. Let's hope for that. I don't know why I can't find more for now, but let's be hopeful that we find more. Sidasu kharaji leidare si chaba yabra yadabra khangdre dan heroi. Ngasi ge singai hekre. Aduga hayeng muk chongpri ngasi. Hayeng dawari chongpuse. Ngasi ge di chengkong ge thok losalage.